Constructing parallel lines. So first of all, parallel are lines that will never intersect, meaning that they have the same slope. Typically the picture we see for this one is a line that looks like this, a line that looks like this, and then the way we mark parallel lines is you put these little arrows which tell you that they're in fact parallel. Now in order to construct our parallel lines, we're first going to start down here, find your line tool, and we're going to do line A, B. This is our starting point, and our goal is to construct a line that is parallel to that. Now, in order to do that, we're going to keep our line tool, and I'm going to construct another line CD that intersects AB somewhere. Then we're going to grab our intersect, and we're going to place point E where those two intersect. Then grab your point tool, and we're going to place point F anywhere on EB, but you really want this to be a shorter distance than from E to C. Otherwise, things are not going to work out here. Grab your compass tool. We're going to measure the distance from E to F, and we're going to place that circle back on E. Then grab your intersect tool and mark the intersection where the circle hits from E to C. Then we're going to grab our compass tool again, and we're going to measure the distance from E to F, and this time we're going to put that circle up at point C. Then we're going to grab our intersect, and we're going to mark the intersection where circle C hits our line, but you want to grab the outer intersection. So don't grab the inner one, grab the outer one. And then grab your compass tool again, and we're going to measure from G to F. So G to F, and this time you're going to place that circle up at point H. Then grab your intersect tool, and do you notice where circle H intersects circle C over here? We're going to mark that intersection. Then we're going to grab our line, and we're going to connect from C to I. Now, what we should have here are two parallel lines. So the line CI should be parallel to our line AB. In order to check that, I'm going to go to Measure, and I'm going to do Slope. And I'm going to pick my line here from C to I, and then I'm going to pick my line here between F and B. I'm going to go grab my Move tool so that I can move my slope so that I can see it. Right now that has a slope of 0. Right now this guy has a slope of 0. And then I'm going to grab point B and I'm going to move it. So notice, as I move one, the other one stays the same. And then as I move it the other way, they stay the same.